my name is Ufa, and I would like to introduce you to RosarcLABs. RosarcLABs is a platform that combines AI software with structural analysis and design software. It has one clear mission: to increase productivity for engineers. Today, most structural engineering tools are slow, repetitive, time consuming, and they require long learning curves and force engineers to design structural elements one at a time. RosarcLABs removes these barriers. Instead of spending hours navigating complex workflows, you can design entire projects in batch with just few guided steps. And they're just 4 steps. Upload your structural drawing and add loads. Review all beams which are automatically represented in design forms by the AI. Apply any post-processing or refinements you need, still in batch. And the last step, analyze your design and download updated calcs. Yes, so this is the drawing we'll be analyzing today. This is the roof level with 2 beams, and the first floor level with some beams, some changes to the beams clouded in red, and this is the ground floor level. So I'll now go to the chat app. So basically here, just click this button, choose a file. So I'll choose the file that I just showed now. That's it here. Now I'll just explain what the section is. These are some loads that will be used to apply to the tributary areas of the beams we've just shown in the PDF. And then just click Analyze Drawing. The analysis, which is basically forms for the beam. I'll just go to the very top where there's a summary of everything that's been done. Yeah. It's also made some assumptions about the E value, the I value, the A value, that's the Young's modulus, the second moment of area, and the area of the section. And there we have it, some of the beams so far. And if you notice for the floor beams, it does floor loads. I'll just go for lintels, it does wall loads. Wall loads here, dead loads and all that. Now I can make some changes that I want to the beam. And this is the beauty of it, you can do batch processing. And so now it's changed the section. It's also changed the area of the section for these ones. Or you can say another thing, add 0.45 kPa load, wind load to all lintels. Because it's a UDO, just use to all lintels. As I said before, that's the beauty of the app. You can use the AI to do batch processing. You can add loads to certain sections so it knows what the lintels would be. If you notice now, it's gone to all the ones I've called L. So it's so intelligent to know that L stands for lintel. And then it's added the 0.5 kilonewton per meter, load to each section. That's it here. So this is just a preview. If you click on it, you get the more details into the system. So this is being rolled out as a simply supported beam, and that's what the system defaults to. So yeah, that you can see the loads now added to each. So there's the preview to each lintel, all the lintels, all the lintels, all the lintels. You can do this for each parameter. You can say, for example, you want something, you want the floor beams to be fixed support, I need to change that there. So just doing things like that, and that's the beauty of the system. Now we can now go and analyze. Oh, now this is another thing we're doing, another feature in the app. You can just go, so I'm now going to add all the lintels to the canvas, which is a walk area for people to, to walk some, because it's hard to walk in the chat area, and that's why we have the canvas. Now I'm just pushing all the beams into the canvas. That's the beauty. You can see each beam is represented by the chip, so you can see all the properties change when you select that. So this is like a walk area, workspace for the engineer to go into details if they want to. Now I can just analyze that, and with analyzing the beam, and that's it. So that's the, and then you just download that, which is a presentation of this with the reactions and all that here. You can also do that. So done L7, right? You can just analyze here, and there you have it. You can either download a PDF, so, or download a CSV file, which is basically a simpler representation. So now there. So that's the beam. I'll just open that. Yeah, and there you have it. Beam, the loads, maximum reactions, shear force, bending moments. That's quite small. And then a graphical interface for that. Yes, so that's a simple rundown of the system.